Hey guys, so we're here at Polynesian Resort, and we're at day 4, and yeah, I'm kind of tired.
Process. So now we're gonna link your ticket to you. Place your finger down here. Scan here, and then place your finger. Princess, if you want to put your
So we're here at Polynesian Resort, and we're at day 4. We got one more day here, and yeah, I'm kind of tired. I've been hitting like 18 to 22,000 steps a day. Been here 5 days. It's been nice. Yeah, we've had fun, and yeah, come along with us today, day 5. See where we're at. Keep on watching.
Yeah. I didn't do that. The elevator closed on its own.
You old guy.
Moana.
High five.
I think this gate right here, right?
Looks like it.
You guys can go to any car, friend. That one's full. No, not here.
tickets now, you're gonna place them on the Mickeys. You can choose that process. So now we're gonna link your ticket to you. Place your finger down here. Scan here, and then place your finger. Princess, if you want to put your finger right here, you can help. Right here. Put your finger right down here for me, sweetheart. It's gonna go green. There you go. You're all set. If you exit into the park, you'll just do the same thing.
Okay, thank you.
Try again. Keep your finger on. Try again. Okay, good.
I got one like you. I went off this morning because I brought
down that way?
Yeah. Let's go this way. My ear I can't hear out of again today, so. It's not, I'm not in pain, but I just can't hear out of it. Huh? Shall we?
Leave anything to the imagination?
They have this thing strapped down to it
Yep.
like crazy.
There's not everybody left because it rained, it looks like.
Watch on one of the down on Main Street thing down this way.
Oh, really? These stores are really cool in here.
It's like $200 for the watcher section. Disney went to the water. It's gonna be hard. What? Like harder than America.
That kind of damage.
You want to watch it or you want to go?
Gracie.
Getting all the way in, friends. My chair.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
This time, step away from the walls into the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please.
Snickers and peanut butter M&Ms. Peanut butter? Peanut butter M&Ms.
Which language?
I will send you a free I just slept. I can have the next
You don't want to pick anything?
What?